Hey guys, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about the Airtel Xstream Fiber. So how you can buy it and what are the installation charges and what are the router charges and also how you can claim it for the free of cost. In this video, I will discuss about it. So friends, before going to the video, still if you are not a subscriber to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also friends, before going to the video, so if you not yet watched our previous video about the Airtel Xstream Fiber speed test, so you can just watch this video friends, because you can see the how much speed you can get at the basic pack like 499. So you can see this video and you can come to this video to know the prices and all. So first of all, let us go to the Airtel app. In the Airtel app, just scroll down below in the buy section, you can see here over here broadband. So I will just tap on it. So once you tap on it, if you want to buy, you need to enter the personal details over here friends. So first of all, you need to choose the pack which you want, and also later you can change the pack, no need to worry about that. Just you need to enter the basic details like your name, mobile number and also installation address here, and you need to press continue to get the registration. So once you're done, so the executive will call you for the installation, and for the location purpose they will contact you. So first of all friends, there is an installation charge applicable if you are going with the monthly pack. So if you want to recharge for 499 per month, so there will be a charge like 1000 to 1500 rupees they will charge for the installation plus router. So totally they will charge, like it varies from 1000 to 1500 rupees. Or else if you go with the longer duration pack, so as you can see here, so if you are going with the 799 pack for 3 months, if you reach at the installation time, if you reach a 799 rupees pack for 3 months at once, you will get a discount of like 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees. Installation charge will be reduced over there. If you are planning for that, so it is the best choice to go with this pack. Or else if you are planning with the 499 pack, you can go with the 6 months pack friends. So 6 months pack you can get like 499 plus GST you can pay, and you can claim the free installation plus free router charges. So you no need to pay any extra cost over here, but you need to recharge on the installation day itself. You need to recharge for the 6 months, so that you will get a free offer in this over here time period. So you can choose the pack from here. So when you have basic pack and other standard pack, there are other packs also available. So if you are preferring for the basic pack, you need to go with the 6 months pack. Or else if you go with the 799, you can go for the 3 months pack, so that you can claim it for like installation plus router for the free of cost. No need to pay for the additional for it. So with this you can get the local calls also for the free of cost, unlimited local STD. So with the 490 pack you will get the up to 40 Mbps and unlimited data you can get. So if you connect for the landline, so you can get the free calls also for it. And the for the 799 pack, you can get the up to 100 Mbps speed, and also you can get the unlimited local and STD calls also with the landline connection. For landline friends, you need to bring the landline, so they will not provide any landline here. So if you want, you can bring the landline, just they will connect for it and they will give it. You will get in every pack, you will get the free calls for the local and STD. For every pack there will be a GST friends, so make sure that if you are going with the 799 pack or else 499 pack, so there will be a GST. So if you are going with the 499 pack, so the total cost will be normally 2994 rupees, plus you need to pay 18% GST over there. So make sure that you need to pay the GST also, so include the price in that also. And if you are going with the 799 pack for 3 months, so plus GST you need to pay. So that in the 6 months and 3 months pack you will get a free installation plus router. So you no need to pay for extra, but you need to pay instant on the day itself. You need to pay for 6 months pack or 3 months pack. If you go for the 799, so you can go with the 3 months, so that you will get a claim and free installation plus router. If you are going with the 6 months pack, which is 499, so you can go with the 6 months, so that you can claim the free of installation charges. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And before buying friends, so make sure that you check this video speed test of Airtel Xstream Fiber. So this is speed test of basic pack of 499. You can see this over here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do subscribe to our channel.